Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Pasty-T Garage. Today we're going to be working on our 2016 Toyota Rav4. If you can't tell, we're going to be changing the windshield wiper blades. Now this is a super easy process on the Rav4. We're going to go ahead and tackle the front, and then we're going to do the rear. So in the front, traditionally, you have the arm up, and you're going to go ahead and press on this detent on the wiper blade. And the detent that I'm talking about is, you can kind of see here, there's a little foot. You want to press that in, because this hole that's on the end of your arm is what's holding that clip in. So keeping the arm held, I'm going to go ahead and swap it out for our new blade. Now you're going to hear a satisfying click. That's how you know that it is fully seated into that arm. Now, the driver's side is 26 inches in length. The passenger side is 16. Passenger side is going to be the exact same way. In fact, it might be a little difficult. We're going to go to the other side of the car. Since this vehicle is wider than I'll be able to reach. So again, you're going to grab that detent, and then you're going to push away from the curvature of the arm. So basically, I'm pushing the detent here, and then I'm going to push the whole wiper blade towards the center of the hood. Now, like I said, this one's a 16. You're going to hear that satisfying click again. And that's it. Now, that's it for the front. The rear is a little bit more tricky. So we're going to go ahead and walk back here. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so on the Rav4, the rear wiper looks a little interesting. You can see it's all kind of one piece armature. It's got this piece back here. So basically what you're going to do, you see how that kind of flares up? You're going to want to get both sides. It's going to be a little difficult me doing it with one hand. But you're going to pull both out, and you can see how this wing kind of opens up. And once that is all the way back, you can lift the arm into this position. Now, the standard blade, you're going to have to tilt it back. You're going to hear a pop, and that just means that it's released. Then you pull that out. Now, what popped is, you can see this little area right here. It popped out of there. So basically, this channel slides in to that. Now, the replacement blade I have is not a Toyota part number. I picked this up from Advanced Auto. Here is what it looks like. Remove before installing. So we're going to remove that plastic piece. Now, see in the light, see if it'll focus. Focus, focus, focus. Basically, I have the A adapter that's on here, and all that means is that this piece right in here is going to fit snugly into this groove. So what we're going to do is we're going to push the A in there, make sure it's snug, and then we're going to snap it in place. Put that down. Your wiper blade is now fixed, and then don't forget to put this cover back. And that is your rear wiper installation. So yeah, so that's going to do it for me today. Pasty-T Garage. We replaced the front and rear wipers on a 2016 Toyota Rav4. Not too bad. Don't be intimidated by the rear wiper blade just because it has a little extra, plastic clips over it. Doesn't mean that it's difficult to replace, as you just saw. And if you have the Toyota part number, it might be a little bit quicker because you don't have to worry about getting any sort of adapters for this piece to fit on there. But as you can see, we had an aftermarket wiper blade you can just pick up at your local auto parts store, and it fits just fine. So now all we have to do is just make sure that the operation is smooth, and we're good to go. So I appreciate everybody coming with me on this journey today. Again, we worked on a 2016 Toyota Rav4, replaced the front and rear wiper blades. That's going to do it for me today. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, I'd appreciate if you would go ahead and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think, what your favorite wiper blade is. If you need to replace your wiper blade and this video helped you out, that'd be awesome to hear. So that's going to do it for me today. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.